as I've mentioned, character interaction is extremely important when it comes to dramas. Your life is like a story, and each day, week, or year could be a chapter in the story. In addition, there are different settings and characters that are part of your life story. So we're kind of applying our plot here to our own personal lives, trying to make that connection. Though you are mostly the author of your personal life story, there are many day-to-day events you cannot control. Furthermore, the interactions you have with other people influence your decisions you make in your life, your daily life. So look at it as if you were hanging out with your friends. How you interact with them, what you say and do affects your story. So writers control the events and characters of novels and stories. They have control over everything you read, from where the story will take place to the personalities of the characters and how the story will end. Throughout any story, however, the interactions of characters are often very important to the plot of the story. Characters are people or animals in stories, and they may seem to be like you or people you know, heroes or creatures, or even objects that can do things humans can do, which is also called personification, such as talking spoon or fork. So when we talk about the different types of characters, there are usually two. The protagonist, this is the good guy, the hero, the person who everybody usually roots for. And then we have the antagonist. This is the bad person, or the person who is struggling with something, the person who is doing something negative. They're usually not the ones that everybody roots for. And then we have the subordinate characters. These interactions with the main characters help to reveal his or her true character. They may be friends or others with minor roles in a story. So they're kind of like the background characters in a sense. So looking at our cast of characters in The Lion and the Mouse, we have narrators, family, mouse family, tiny father, mother, brother, sister, brother, two. All of these characters except for Tiny are subordinate characters. So Tiny is our main character. Tiny is our protagonist. And here, Owl, Brother Crocodile, Sister Crocodile, Mama Crocodile, Cobra, and the Hunters are all subordinate characters. And Lion is our antagonist. So our main characters, Tiny, the protagonist, and Lion, the antagonist. And when it comes to their relationship, they start off as predator and prey. Lion is about to eat Mouse, but he decides to let her go. And then the story flips when Lion gets trapped underneath the nest. And so notice that an event has happened in order to change the interaction between the two characters. So now the Lion is the underdog, and the Mouse is now going to help the Lion. And so when we get to the very end of the story, their relationship goes from predator and prey to now they are friends, and the Lion appreciates the Mouse because of that event that happened. So in the end, we can say that their interaction is positive, they're friends, and the Lion learned a very valuable lesson.